Hey guys, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. Today's project, we're going to put brake pads on a 2021 Toyota Corolla. Let's get started. '21 Toyota Corolla SE hatchback. Nice looking car. Tinted windows. This car belongs to my buddy Willie Schwert. Willie Schwert making his YouTube debut.
What's up, guys?
We got brakes to put on today, front and rear. What do we got here? CarQuest brakes, brake pads, rotors. Alright, so to get this thing into brake service mode, got to push the button twice, start, pull up on the parking brake 3 times, push down 3 times, hold up on it to do it. It's flashing. There we go. Hear the emergency brake run for a while. That lets you know it's in service mode. So the reason why you got to do that is these cars have electric parking brakes on them, and whenever you pull up and stop, they automatically engage. So in order to get those disengaged so you can get the calipers off, you got to put it in brake service mode, and it releases the rear parking brake. So the first thing we're going to do is get this thing jacked up and get some jack stands under it, and we'll get started. Pull the wheels, pull the calipers, new brake pads, new rotors, and put it back together. That's good. All right, take it down slow.
More?
That's good.
Alright.
Alright, go ahead and let it all the way down. I'm gonna fix the car.
Alright.
Toyota didn't want that one to come off, did they? Toyota didn't want that one to come off, did they?
No, apparently not.
There we go. The one tool that works for everything. Did you get it on there?
No, I was messing with it.
So one thing we were struggling with, bolts that both hold the caliper in were really tight, and the pin down here was spinning at the same time we were loosening the bolts. So
Guess I should have kept that vice grip on there. Fingers are not strong enough.
a little vice grip on it will take care of it. Hold the pin, loosen the bolt. Move the caliper. I like this. I'm usually the one doing the work. Pads are still pretty good. He's having some issues with the rear brakes vibrating. So probably got a warped rotor. So now we got to get the bracket off. There we go. And of course it's going to start raining.
Sounds about right.
It does sound about right. Never fails.
Lovely Kentucky weather.
Make sure you always grease your pins, because they will stick, and that will cause you to warp a rotor.
Gotta love work pants. Didn't have that whole black grommet on there. The seal.
Somebody in Toyota's assembly plant left that off. Cost savings.
Yeah.
Of course, we don't know anything about that, do we?
Oh, no, definitely not.
Will and I both work for Toyota in Georgetown, Kentucky. Will works in body weld, I work in assembly.
Building front suspension.
Moving?
Not in the way we want.
Spinning about 180. There we go. Spin it 180. Well, we were hoping the rain would hold off and not get too bad, but as you can see, it decided to pour. Alright, so we got the caliper compressed. Got a tool to use for that. Stick that in there, twist the thing, and push the caliper plunger back up in there. You got to do that to be able to get the new brake pads on. So now we're putting the bracket on. Sometimes these rotors are hard to get off. These rotors have 2 bolt holes threaded into them there and there, and you can run a bolt in there. Push the rotor off. I didn't have a bolt to fit that, so we used a little bit of mechanical persuasion in the form of a rubber mallet.
Luckily these are inner, outer.
Nice.
Makes it easier. Oh, that sounded lovely. Make sure you plug that back in.
Yeah.
So I have parking brakes.
It'll let you know if you don't.
Keep forgetting to leave those on there.
And there you go. That's the brake job on the rear of a 2021 Toyota Corolla. We'll get the other side done, then we'll tackle the front. Will decided it was camera time for him. Made me do the other side.
This is easier work anyway.
They gotta get these things so tight for. sure somebody in the comments will say, so your brakes don't come off.
I was going to say, this is the Toyota way.
Both ain't gonna be fit for nothing by the time I get through with it. Good Lord. You want to take a try at that one?
Sure.
Heard it change. I think we're starting to get it. There we go. And I got Will making his hammer face.
Better than we want to make it work.
Rotors always come with Cosmoline on them. Some type of lubricant anyway. You always want to clean them off before you put them on, or they'll get embedded in your new pads. Did y'all notice how I wormed my way out of that one and now Will's doing all the work again?
Usually how it works out for me.
You're used to that at Toyota, ain't you?
Oh, yeah.
Somebody else worming their way out of it so you can do all the work.
Someone can't weld something, they call me in.
And a lot of people can't weld something, right?
Oh, yeah. We'll find out if they cross-threaded or not.
You know how to fix that, don't you?
Something harder.
More ugga-duggas. More ugga-duggas. That's the way we did it at Toyota. Cross-thread something, you just knock her on in.
So,
somebody at Toyota sees this, they'll sue me or something. Click. I see that on YouTube videos all the time, and I always wanted to use it. I finally got to use that. Click. All right, on to the fronts. Pretty much the same setup. That hurts.
that tickled a little.
Cut the wheels out. It makes it a little bit easier.
That works out pretty good.
See how you got one pad smaller than the other?
Yep.
Your shaking might have been coming from the front and you didn't realize it. This one might have been the one sticking.
Yeah.
Power tools.
Greatest thing ever. Yeah, it's definitely quite a bit thinner.
Yep. That inside one is just about the end of its life. Almost down to the groove.
Confused myself. try the handle a bit.
There we go. I saw it move.
Oh, that did not tickle.
Let me hold that.
All right.
A little bit of percussive persuasion.
And a smashed thumb.
You all right?
Yeah. Get this all onto it.
Does this camera make you nervous?
Nah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I think I'm sure. Hopefully people don't make fun of me too bad.
Don't make fun of Will.
Yeah, I might cry a little. Maybe if I just get that part, hopefully it'll be alright. It's tight enough.
I forgot to say click.
Maybe it's used to it by now.
All right, that's one of the fronts down. One more to go. We won't film the other one. It's just the same as this one. Taking a trip down the road. See how she works. How'd they feel?
Much better. No wobbles. Solid, smooth braking.
We get to work while the women sit in here and gab.
That's the way to do it. It's the only way to do it.
This is Will's best half, Emily. Making her YouTube debut. You already know Shonda.
I'm the supervisor.
Did we do it right?
Perfect.
Good. Will did it right.
I hope so.
Oh, did you do it all?
He did it all.
Look at you.
With one crushed thumb.
All right, guys. Appreciate you watching. Hopefully you learned something from this video and you can put brakes on your car. Well, if you watched Will, I didn't do anything. I just videoed it. Will did all the work.
Just don't crush your thumb like I did.
Thanks, guys, for watching. I would appreciate it if you'd hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I think while you're doing that, you should also watch this video.